Radiogiornale Bellunese now airing. Daily news from the Belluno province. Welcome to a new edition of the Radiogiornale Bellunese. These are the news from today, November 10th, 2022. Injury during work in Clout indicted the construction site supervisors. A 59-year-old worker from Gosaldo fell 6 meters from a scaffolding and suffered severe injuries. The construction site supervisors have been indicted for severe culpable injuries, aggravated by the violation of the safety regulations. Brawl during the CSI Championship match between Uskies and Bellunese Olfit. Managers called to the police station. The brawl, according to Bellunese Olfit, started because of racist insults against one of its players, accusation denied by US Kies. CSI's Belluno committee gathered all the A1 group teams to end the debate and make sure nothing similar happens again. Sentenced to 1 year of detention, the man who, in 2018, stole a wallet in Salses Jador nightclub. The accused was a man from Vittorio Veneto. Fire at La Mons Locanda Ponteserra. Save the ground floor and first floor. Heavy damage to the rest of the building. Davide Pante, the owner, says that, while it will take time, they will be able to restart. The fire seems to have started in the attic because of an electric wire. Vandals at Agordos Tennis Club. The building was damaged, but nothing seems to have been stolen. A complaint against unknowns has been filed. Revise the border funds. This was declared by the Trento Autonomous Province's regional entities assessor Mattia Gottardi. The province wants to stop the resource redistribution to the surrounding areas of Trento and Bolzano, Belluno's territory included. Passing to sports, football. Yesterday's Coppa Veneto matches. In prima categoria, Borgo Valbelluna was defeated by Barbisano. In seconda, Ponte nelle Alpi won 3-1 against Ospirolese. On the 7th of December, Granata will play against Refrontolo. In Serie D, a prolonged stop will be probably necessary for Dolomiti Bellunese's defender Riccardo Pettinà. The player fractured his left foot. The coach Diego Zanin will certainly not be able to use him until 2023. And that is all for this edition. We wish you a nice day in the company of Radio BM, the Bellunese Nel Mondo Association's web radio. You just listened to Radiogiornale Bellunese, daily news from the Belluno province.